We have 15 minutes to register, and so there you go. The wife is leading the way. Cancun Carib Resort. So looking for the entrance to this building. We're on building number 5. Okay, so first floor. We are going to our room now, and this is how the elevators look like. Facilities. What is our number, honey?
5410.
All right, 5410. Ooh. So let's turn on the light right here. So this is the room. And this is how it looks right here. Wow, this is a big one. It has a full kitchen. All right, I just opened this cabinet on this side. So it has a microwave, as I have said. You've seen this earlier, and now it has pots and pans. It's a fully stocked kitchen, we could say. What about here? Hopefully it has a lot of food. Nope, not with that exception now. It doesn't. Oops, it doesn't have that food though. Nope, it doesn't have any food. That's when the guests will provide their own food. Cabinets.
Complimentary
big-
laundry and dish detergent.
A big fridge. And
No tub,
this,
just a shower, but
this
still
is
nice.
the, so as the wifey said, there is no tub, but there's a shower here. All right. Shower. The TV, and then this is like the living room. This is where the closet. Our room has a strip view. So this is, so it says here, do not hang towels or clothing on the balcony railings or walls. So yep. We don't have a pool view, but we have a strip view right here. So.
Now we can see the pool at the neighboring resort.
Yep. That is like, or that could be a condominium or a residence apartments or something. Yeah. And so this is the window to the bedroom. So let's go. Let's go inside the bedroom. Nice painting. Table. Temperature control. And okay. Oh, honey, you did not see this. So there are 2 bathrooms. Honey, come here.
I forgot that.
Yeah, they have 2. The tub is right here. Whoa, it's a jet tub.
Now I remember that
Nice.
from when I made the reservation.
So it
Second
is.
bathroom.
This is the master's or 1 bedroom, but then again, it has like a master's bathroom, which is a Jack and Jill for me and my wifey. And then, yep. Wow, it could fit like a family here, or a couple of friends could stay here. Like some could sleep in the bed and the others could sleep out here. Yep. So that is the second bathroom, which can also be the powder room.
Yeah, that's
Here's
king bed.
king bed. Wow. And it has another like closet here. So this is a very, very nice room. Thumbs up. All right. So
I think we might.
yes. So this is the Tulum building elevator, and you need the key in order to open it.
Nice.
So this is the access. So this is the like ground floor or underground parking, and it leads to the elevator that goes up to the building. All right. So time to get our luggage and get settled into the room. Hello guys, me and the wifey are going to the pool, and I'm wearing flip-flops. I have my swim shorts. I'll remove this polo shirt. I have my hat, and I'll be bringing a backpack in order to put the camera. And so we'll be heading out to the pool. All right. This is going to the pool. All right. Yeah, there is the pool right there.
Pool entrance this way.
So this is the pool entrance right here. Going this long walkway. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. So that is the this is the pool entrance right here. And so
The slides close at 7.
all right.